Thank you for tuning in wherever you are over the world watching me. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate your love, your kindness, your support towards this channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Today is just a quick one. I will not be taking much of your time. I shall be showing you how to stitch off-shoulder princess bustier darts using two different types of fabric. And these are lace fabric on African print. I've drafted it long ago and I will leave the link in the description box below. Kindly click on it, watch it so that you have more understanding of what we're about to do here right now. So this is what I mean. This is my lace fabric and this is a African print. As you can see, I've padded it, okay? And if you are a newbie, you have been looking forward to a tutorial like this, you are in the right place. It is very simple because I'll be taking you through all the steps, how to secure it first and how to stitch it properly. And I hope you will love it. If you want to see all the makings, don't drag the line, sit back as we get into it. To start this tutorial, like I said, I'll be using this lace to cover up the African print. So this is the front piece, this is the center part, and these are the side panels. The first thing I did, I folded the center panel of the front piece. I folded it into two equal parts like this, then notch the midpoints, the upper parts and the down parts. Why? Because this will guide me when I'm joining the down parts of the dress to the upper parts. And for the upper parts here, I'll be joining a cape to the neckline. That's why I notch the upper part. So this part, they are very compulsory. Now, the next step is to take the lace and I place it on it. And same thing I did to the African fabric, same thing I did on the lace fabric. So I will take the lace fabric now, place it like this, wrong side of the lace facing the right side of the African print. Center to center, secure it with my pin, both up and down. Also the edges, the chest line, the bust line, the under bust, and the waist. So those parts must be accurate, okay? Now I will set this aside. I will take the side panel of the front piece. This is it. I will also take my lace fabric. I've also notched it. This is the bust line. The chest line is here, under bust, and the waistline. Same thing on the lace. I will take it wrong side facing the right side of the African print, cover it, bust to bust, chest line to chest line, under bust to under bust, then secure it with my pin. Same on the other side of the panel as well. For the back piece, I will also take it. This is the one side of the back piece. I will also take the lace wrong side facing the right side, armhole to armhole, zipper line to zipper line, and dart to dart. I've notched every part. Then I'll secure it with my pin as well. Same thing on the other side. This is it. So I've secured everything now. The next thing now is to secure it with my stitch. And how do we do that? After securing it with pin, so the next thing is to take it to my sewing machine, turn it to the wrong side where the interfacing is. Then I will run my stitch close to the edge or 1/4. I will take it round the edges. I will repeat same on all the pieces, okay? Then when I'm done, I'll come back for the darts and to stitch up the princess bustier darts. Then we are done. Right, this is how it is looking now after running the stitch on it. The reason why I stitch it up on the wrong side, I will tell you now. Assuming I stitch it up on the right side, the lace will be dragging down as I move and leave a bulge, something like bulge here, okay, which I don't like. So that is why I like taking the stitch on the wrong side, especially when I'm dealing with lace. So to take the darts now, like I said earlier on, I've notched the dart part from the zipper line to this part. I've notched it. So I'll fold it up exactly to the notch area. I'll fold it like this, pin it down to secure it. Then take my measuring tape from the upper parts. I went down by 3 inches. So exactly on my chest line, which is 9 inches. Okay, that's where the dart will stop. So from the chest line, I went down by half an inch. Okay, so my dart is going to come from this down part, half inch, and I will take it like that until I get to the upper part here, which is the half an inch I went down with. Okay, that is it for the dart. Okay, so same thing I will repeat on the other panel of the back piece. Right, to the main course, which is the bustier now. This is the side panel of the front piece, and this is the center panel of the front piece. So the first thing I did, as you can see, I've padded it. If you look closely, there's an allowance, the bust area. I left this because after stitching it, this will make the bust area to relax without pointing out. Okay, right. So after that, I will take the side panel, place it on the center panel. What I normally do, I place the bust point first, bust point to bust point, then under bust to under bust. Right, secure it with my pin properly. Then I will stop there, take my scissors, give it a notch, run the edge from this down part, okay, towards the bust area. Why? Again, this will help the fabric to extend as I move on without having any shortage of fabric on this upper parts. Okay, so I will do that, notch it just a little bit. Okay, then after notching it, I will now take it half an inch from this down part. I will take it, when I get to this under bust, I will raise the footer of my machine, then curve it again close to the wadding, half an inch, then up again, then take it up and go until I get to the upper parts. Okay, so same thing I will repeat on the other panel.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you.
So guys, this is our off-shoulder bustier with lace. This is it. This is the front. This is the inside. You can see I've trimmed it off the excess part. So this is how it's looking now. That's the lace on it, looking good. And the lining, I'll be using this lining. I will just use this lining to cover it up because I'll be adding a cape to the neckline. While for the back, I stitch up the darts with the lining, as you can see. So After joining it, I will join both together like this. Then use the cape to turn the neckline. The down part is going to be a ball dress. I'll be uploading that soon as well. That is all for today, guys, and I hope the video has been helpful. I want to say a massive thank you for watching to the end. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section below regarding this stitching with lace on African prints. If you haven't joined this beautiful family, kindly press the red subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for new updates. Thank you so much. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as possible. I love you all. Stay tuned until I come your way again.